Right then, a bit more of an up-to-date one this time round. Right, so I have obviously all that down there. 2 new backing plates, hubs, brand new, with bolts to them, brake pipes with the other bits. The only thing I'm missing is the 2 little clips that go in here and here, which when the pipe goes through there, clips in place, but they're on the way. 2 new brake calipers, handbrake cable, and obviously all this stuff, which is that training arm. I'll press the bush in now because I have those things. A bit more difficult to push that one in because it's a bit of a awkward thing. Right, the came with got obviously these 2 anti-roll bar drop links, these tiny ones. Obviously the anti-roll bar, everything's bolted up now. New springs, new them as well. New little spring coupley thingy, what's this there that they spring into. This thing, some Bilsteins. A bit funny, but I don't know. Right. Obviously, these things had the bolts done as well. Now, these, obviously it's all upside down, but this, every car I've seen has got a short end here, long end there. Every diagram I've seen, long ends there and short ends there. Even the Hayes manual says that. So I don't know what is going on there, but right. Obviously new thems, new these. What else? There's the bushes for the little bottom arms, and then right, the other thing that I've come to find is that not all the bolts are here in the bolt kit. Right, the bolt kit you get has these funny camber ones. It has obviously these ones. Obviously that one's the top shot bolt because it's got a funny thing on it. It doesn't come with these bolts. It does come with the bolts that bolt here and here and there and there, and obviously it does come with that bolt there, and obviously the other end of this and the other end of that, which goes into here. But it doesn't come with the bottom bolt, which is in here somewhere. These big fat things, M14 by 2s. Oh, there's the other one. Those little ones that go into the chassis. They're the other 2 for the bars. Those dog bars, whatever they're called. What else? Yeah, so, oh yeah, and it doesn't come with these bolts either. So I had to get these elsewhere as well. And obviously there's not enough nuts to go around, so I have to get them as well. But yeah, other than that, it's all systems go. As soon as I can put those bushes into the ends of that. Where's the other one? Oh, there we go. Right, so yeah, there's the other one. The bush will go in there, which then connects to this bit here. And obviously everything else is everything else. But yeah, when it happens, it happens. And I'm a bit out of breath because I just finished work. And it's 2 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, hopefully it will all be fitted. Fingers crossed, nothing goes wrong. Hopefully. Okay, thank you.